You have 3 billy goats, huh? There's that troll. How do you like this guy? Dumpty Dumpty is falling. And then look up there. Who's letting down her hair? Interesting climbing plaything. Some kind of spider, huh?
What?
Some kind of spider?
Oh, it's a squid.
A squid? Okay. Jack and the beanstalk over there.
Oh.
Alright, I think we're a little too old for this area. Yeah. On this way? It's like Jack and Jill fell down the hill. Jack and Jill fell down the hill.
I would encourage you to take a ride.
Gingerbread man! Oh no! 3 men in the boat. Let's go on the boat. It's a very crooked house. Okay, you got the 3 little pigs. The straw house, the stick house, the brick house. Bad Wolf still wants to get in though.
Well, he won't get in.
It's like Pooh's inside.
Sup, Pooh?
There's Honey.
These two.
And Piglet.
Hi, Piglet.
And Christopher Robin fixing Eeyore's tail.
So nice.
And here's our Tigger.
Tigger.
Kanga and Roo. Where's Roo? I don't see Roo. Where's Roo?
Roo? Where are you,
There's
Roo?
Rabbit.
Roo!
Show you the end. It's like Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn.
That's cat!
Here's Little Toot.
Who's Little Toot?
He's a little tugboat. Cinderella. Hey, our favorite friends from the Wizard of Oz. There's Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs.
With the 101 Dalmatians?
All those Dalmatians. Pinocchio.
Ah.
Frog here.
Hi, Foggy.
And then there's a boy fishing.
Why? What's Thursday?